Yo guys, today's video, we're going to play Planks of Rivals with my demon cousin who literally has coughing issues.
Hello guys, I'm back again. This is my cousin Trot.
And we're gonna play some Rivals. This is not right.
Yeah.
Definitely has coughing issues. We haven't met.
I've been eating chocolates.
Bet you've been eating Feastable.
No.
His voice changed. I could change mine too. Nah. Okay, get ready. Get ready. Arena. Get ready, Demon Eye Cake.
Yeah. I'm gonna use my cock.
Oh no. It's so hard to snipe someone.
Ow. Fuckers. Oh.
Damn it! Crossbow got me! Fuck!
Holy mother of load.
I just don't feel the vibe, buddy.
Whoa. I gotta get him.
Can't lose here.
Wait.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I can't do demon voice. What the hell? Man, I missed my crossbow. But now I'm like sniper now.
Buddy, you cannot. Oh.
Shh, Diddy. I gotta lock in.
Whoa.
That's one.
You just shot his leg with a dagger. I know you're gonna be a big bird.
I hope so. Damn it.
You did it.
Dude, I don't think I'm gonna win. 40 seconds. Oh no.
40. Get up. One. You're gonna be one something. He's gonna be one something.
Wait, he's one tap?
Yeah. According to my calculations.
Yes! Let's go!
See you. He wants that.
Let's freaking go! Okay, buddy, lock in.
I'm going on.
Oh no.
Demon mode on.
You ran out of voice acting? Oh no. Oh no. What the hell? What the hell? No!
Oh, mother.
Oh, now you're back to voice acting now. Okay? All I gotta do is to defeat that. Whoa! You gotta say something?
Yeah.
Not demon mode?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going back to gold mode. Shit.
Hardcore. Paku! I should be saying memes right now.
Fuck.
Jody's right. The bacon is right here.
Dude, I hate carrying snipers. I got one. Not, hey, double kill right there. I'm getting angry. Potato. That's one.
Hello, motherfucker.
Instant kill. Oh, you got other one. Oh, GG's, we won. Finally, a video that we actually won for the first time. Bye, everybody. Say bye, Demon Ike.
Bye.